Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I taken a nice cutting and I planted it about over a month and a half ago, 2 months. I got these, bugs and head gnats, fungus gnats. Not a big deal when they're outside. So I got growing here is a beautiful rose, those big red roses, right? I'm going to sit here and pull all these little, things out. Right here. Right there. See it? Is about 3 millimeters. It's sprouting out, starting to grow. How do you like that? What are you going to do for winter time? I'm going to build a plastic jar and put it right over, and hopefully it'll survive and see what spring brings. A couple of months down the road, this will start to continue to grow. Have a great day.